Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix Google Play Store not working on INFINIX Note 60. First, go into Settings, scroll to App Management, then App List. Find Google Play Store. Go into Storage and Cache and clear cache. Also enable background data and unrestricted mobile data access in mobile data and Wi-Fi settings. Then open the Google Play Store. Hit install, and as you can see, it's installing. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one.